Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today, October 16th, 2019. BTC, Wheee! We are dropping. It looks like we're sliding down that slide. Here we go. So that's dropping. Also, Litecoin, taking a look at Litecoin, bankruptcy, FUD, all that good stuff out there. Also, just a general market overview, and the Dow is looking good. First, please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Alright, so let's go take a look. Am I streaming? Yay, I'm streaming. I am so glad to have internet back. It's a wonderful thing. Alright, so first off, here's the Dow, the DJI. This is on TradingView. And as we can see what's going on, it's trading right along this channel here that I have outlined. And lo and behold, it looks like it's well on its way, what I think, up to around the 30 to 33 level. We'll see what happens. Notice here that I have this little red box here. I have this because if it comes up and hits this too quick, that's kind of like a flame burning too hot. And flames that burn too hot tend to burn out quickly. Yeah, we call that a parabolic increase, right? So this is a danger zone. Hopefully the Dow will not go up that quick, but just keep this nice, long, steady growth. Keep in mind that this is on the logarithmic scale. Let me go ahead and put this on auto so you can get a better viewpoint of what's going on with the Dow. And look at that. So, yay, lo and behold, this is on the 4 hour for the Dow, okay? So yeah, we do have some skips and misses in here, and yeah, we'll see what happens with that. What do we have going on here as far as, let's call it volume spread analysis? We have a small little dip here, but the closes are real tight up in this area. So everything is looking good, whereas it was dropping down here like that, and yay, we see a bounce, and that's kind of like of a pivot point here. But right now we're seeing like a lot lower, trend. Okay, as far as the closes go, it's still looking good to me. The Dow is just, I think they have it planned to just, follow this little line here, just kind of keep on going up, and it's following that, and we'll see what happens. It has its ups and downs, but lo and behold, looks like the Dow is doing pretty dang good overall. It has bounced out of this buying climax here. It's come down, it's tested it, and it bounced, and there it goes. So that is a really, really good sign. It came down and did a test of the lower bounds, did a test here once, twice, and for the upper bounds above this buying climax here, this purple line, and so it's looking good. It's on its way. Yay. So Dow, to me, is looking pretty good. Don't bank on anything I say, of course. That's for sure. This is just my opinion. Okay, so that's the Dow. That is out of the way. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin, BTC. Well, first, let's take a look at Litecoin, huh? Let's take a look at Litecoin. What has been going on with Litecoin? Let's bring it up on the chart here. And I know a lot of people really like Litecoin. Oops. Except my typewriter. My keyboard. Okay, there we go. Let's look at it on Binance. Why not? Okay, Litecoin. Ooh, taking a drop. Oh my. It's taking a drop here. It looked like it was originally, I was thinking it was originally going to kind of go up a little bit higher first, test this bound here on this neck level. This neck level here, test it, and then take a drop. But, things change. Not everything works out the way one thinks. So it's testing this level here. One thing that's nice, though, is that it didn't go below this level. But what I'm expecting is for it to come down, test this yellow line right here, then we'll see what happens. That's Litecoin. But the thing is with Litecoin that's really disturbing, and probably the worst news that Litecoin has had in the history of Litecoin. What am I talking about? Oh my gosh. Hey, there's some people watching. Hey, Leonard. Hey, Kyle. How's it going? So Litecoin, here's the news. And this is an article where's it from? cryptodaily.co.uk, okay? Charlie Lee excuse me. Let me get some coffee here. All right. Charlie Lee comforts community on bankruptcy claims for Litecoin. Okay, so you can read this. What he says is that Litecoin network has been up and running continuously for the past 8 years with zero downtime. Yay. And in that span of time, over a bunch of money worth of LTC have been transacted. Yay, looking forward to the next 8 years. Right. And then down here, it's not near bankruptcy. Don't listen to the stupid FUD and lies. We have enough money to last 2 years. Oh my gosh. So Litecoin can last 2 more years. That is so awesome. Why is that such bad, terrible news coming from the founder of Litecoin himself? Well, because he's basically stating that, hey, we have money for 2 years. Litecoin's going to be around for 2 years, i.e., we are centralized. We are so centralized, and everybody's worried about Litecoin going bankrupt. What would happen to Litecoin if the foundation for Litecoin went away? Is it going to go bankrupt and go away? You tell me. Does that sound like something you want to be in? Is that really what Litecoin is all about? Are people scared that Litecoin is going to go bankrupt? How could it go bankrupt if it was the real deal? How could it? Why would people be scared of that? But they are. They are scared of that. And that is not good for the Litecoin community. It reflects very, very poorly upon those, not everyone, but those that thought, oh, Litecoin is going to go bankrupt. If that's the case, man. Let's put it this way. Charlie Lee should shut down the foundation immediately and let Litecoin go on and be Litecoin. The point is that if Litecoin cannot survive without the foundation, the Litecoin Foundation, then what kind of coin is it? Okay? Really, take a hard look. What kind of coin really is Litecoin if it cannot survive without the foundation? Will it keep on living? Will it die? Put your comments below, okay? And yeah, it's just one of those things. But this particular news specifically from Charlie, because he says, oh, we have money to last 2 more years. So what are you going to do? Put money on Litecoin and then cash out in a year and a half? Because, in 2 years the thing is dead. I don't know. You tell me, but it's in my opinion where this really puts Litecoin into the S-coin category. I've totally used to love Litecoin, but it's like, man, I don't know. It's like that community, those type of people that think it's scared and stuff like that. Well, let's put it this way. Those are exactly the type of people that I want in this market, because they're the ones that, they're the uninformed. Okay, they're the uninformed. Anyway, let's put it that way. They're shark food. Okay, let's just put it that way. They're shark food. Anyway, give me your thoughts on this article in the FUD that's going around Litecoin. Do you think it's going to die in 2 years? What do you think is going to happen to Litecoin if the foundation goes away? If Charlie stops putting in money into it? Even if they stop doing development on it? Is Litecoin worth anything? Let me know. Give me your thoughts on that, okay? All right, enough of that. So that's good old Litecoin. Oh, this came up. So, let's see. I'm just checking out the chat here. So, hey, Leonard, how's it going? Hey, Kyle. Yeah, Kyle says, not sure what to think of Litecoin right now. Yeah, I'm with you. Hey, Renell, good to see you. Yeah, I'm happy days. Got my internet working again. It's been a nightmare. It's been a bloody nightmare. Anyway, it's up. So Kyle has a point. Not sure bankrupt is the right word for LTC. As LTC would continue to run, but development would slow or stop. You know, if that's the case, if development would slow or stop, why? Where's the community? Why wouldn't they still be doing things? Let me give you a strong coin, okay? The real deal. This is the real deal coin, or one of them. And it's called Digibyte. Okay? Digibyte, take could go away. It's still going to live. Alright? It's a real deal. It's a real deal coin. There's only volunteer community behind it. Okay? Volunteer community. That says a lot. This is real deal. This is a real deal. It doesn't get any or very little. It does get some, but it's very, very minuscule amount of people talking about it. And it's Digibyte. Digibyte is the real deal as far as digital cryptocurrency that's out there. And it looks like, hey, it's found its bottom. So we'll see where it goes. Okay? But yeah, do your research on Litecoin. It's... You know, I can't say it price-wise. Hey, it looks like it's going to the moon or anything. But if you're a holder of Digibyte, you're not in it for the price. Okay? You're not in it for the price. For me, for Digibyte is a currency of potential use in the future, to where I'm buying my Digibyte, i.e. coins, to be used as a currency in the future. So I'm buying my money now to use it in the future. Okay? Because if you're judging stuff against fiat, and fiat goes away, who cares about the price, right? It's just Digibyte, you know? Give me that chicken. Well, that's 3 Digibyte. You know? How much is that candy bar? Well, that's, you know, half a Digibyte. You know, whatever. Anyway, let's get to BTC. Where should we look at it? Bitfinex? Yeah, why not? Okay, alrighty. So I have my little chart here showing the drop, and big old arrow going upwards. I have my green box way up here around the 12,000 area. We'll see where it's going. But right now it's just chewing through this little box that I've had drawn for months here at around the 8,000 level, and it's coming down. And yeah, look at that. It's still in it. We'll see if it bounces. One thing to take a look at is that it is on increasing lows. Okay, you often get more information from looking at the lows than you do the highs, but we'll see what happens. And right now this is on the 4 hour. If we go in and take a look at, say, the 45 minute, it's basically took a drop not too long ago, came down. It's just eating this box, right? It's eating this box. Let me take auto off here so I can scroll up there. So it's just eating through that box, and lo and behold, it looks like it's let's see, does it look like it's still going down? Yeah, it still looks like it's still going down. Previous video I said, hey, watch for a I gave you a pattern of basically where you get notice of 2 drops before it takes a drop into the plunge of a markdown area. That's where we are pretty close to facing right now. So we've had 1 chance, 2 chance to get out, and then here's our 3rd. And so it just could keep on dropping here and just continue on its markdown phase right now. That is a very, very high possibility in my book right now. If we scroll out here a bit and we're looking at the trend, then, you know, trend is your friend. Hey, it's still going down. So we'll see what happens here with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now at this second is not looking so hot to me. Now, could it bounce? Absolutely. Could it go the other way? Absolutely. It's a market, right? It can go either way. I'll give you a 50-50 chance it goes up or it goes down, right? So, you know, what does that tell you? Not much. But anyway, watch for this pattern, because if you compare this to previous patterns on just a classic pattern of a markdown stage, to me this looks like, hey, we just hit that pattern. and we hit that pattern with this previous little drop right there. Okay, yeah, so that's what I thought. And here's another part of the pattern right there. So we had 1, 2, 3 drops, 1, 2, 3 drops, and we're on our way down. That's what it looks like. There's an argument definitely for that, so we'll see what happens with Bitcoin. But right now it's kind of like a holding pattern. We do have these increasing lows, which is nice. All right, what do you guys think of Bitcoin? What do you guys think of Bitcoin? So we'll see. Please note that I do have my box up here. All right, so we'll see where that goes. We'll see where it goes. And where has it been? You know, so how do you know these patterns? How do you get into it? How do you read the market and stuff? Keep in mind that Bitcoin and all the other charts are not about charting NTA. If you follow charting NTA for other than just seeing where it has been, you're going to be lost. You're basically going to be lost, and that is because the market does not rely on charts other than to see the effectiveness of manipulation. Okay, and to manipulate people in the future. Oh, what am I saying? What am I saying? Take a look at this video here. I have a link below to it. It is BTC Shark Talk. Hey, because people watching this are sharks or whale hunters along that line. This one says, hey, charting for whales, what I would do. And take a look at this video. Watch this video and bring up a chart, a BTC, have them side by side on your screen and watch this. Because going through the video, what I do is I chart out the whole chart. I show you pretty much what is going to happen with BTC and where it went. And there are, you know, watch how I come up with the lines, the logic behind drawing the lines and stuff of where it's going. I gave you the point of even that it's, you know, going to hit around 14 area in this video. And yeah, all I can say is sit down and watch this video. It's a little bit long, but it is a learning experience for the people out there. And you can look and see on how many hits I got. There must have been 10, 15 hits on this thing. It basically called the market to a T. Interesting stuff, okay? Basically called the market to a T. Watch it. Learn from it. I put it out there for you guys to learn how the market really, really works. Okay? And yeah, put up a chart side by side and watch it. That's all I can say. All right, so yeah, BTC, we'll see where it goes. It's taken a dump here of late. Let's go take a look at it on the 15-minute. Why not, right? Let me put auto back on. Let me go to a different chart without all this garbage. BTC, USD, Bitstamp doesn't have as much. Okay, here we go. So yeah, it's following this general long downward trend I have drawn. And there it goes. As we can see, here's our 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Is it going to bounce off of there? We'll see. Let me scroll over here. Scroll back in. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Taking a drop. Notice that 3 is a very important number. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 is a really important number. Lots of things happen in 3s. All right. That's lots of things happening in 3s. Like peaks. 1, 2, 3. Peaks. Boom. And then something happens. So 3s. Keep in mind 3s. But yeah, this looks like, hey, it's heading down. What do you guys think? All right, so that's about it. Just going to the chats here, see what people are saying. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. So Todd P likes Digibyte. Yeah, I like Digibyte. That's for sure. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget. Ken says, yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this. That's my stupid phone. The magic of live streaming. Imagine that. All right. And that's on an unlisted number, so nobody has it. Therefore, it is a computer call. Don't you hate those computer calls? Oh, have you heard of term life insurance? Oh, blah, 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 blah. Have you heard of Telegram? Blah, 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 blah. You know, come on. Telegram coin, right. Anyway. Okay, just going on the chats here. Kyle says, it's a reason for people to keep it running, and if miners start stopping, then the rest of the miners will make more money. Yeah, could be for LTC, that's right, and Bitcoin as well, yeah. So Gino11ish says, facing bank failures right now. LTC is just getting started. It could. A lot of these things could just be getting started. That's right. Kyle says, have a short at 83.75. Phil will continue down for a couple more weeks. Yeah, we could. Yeah, and there's, hey, Woot, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Thanks for watching. Robo-killer walk. Okay, Kyle. I'll try that robo-killer. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Just keeping an eye on Litecoin, on Bitcoin here. See if it continues with its drop. Yeah, looks like it is. Let's go in here. This is on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 3-minute. Why not? We live dangerously, right? I gotta get that off of there. I keep on doing that. Let's scroll on over. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay, there's our threes. 1, 2, 3. Blah. Yeah, sound effects help. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that interesting? All those threes. Yeah, so if we chart the top here, declining. That wasn't a very accurate line. Let me get my line tool out. Start here. Boom. Okay, so that's descending. And people are going to say, oh, this is ascending. Oh, yay, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. Right now, this is about a, what are the odds here? They say about 60% chance that in a pattern like this. No, you could call this actually pretty much equilateral. Not an equilateral, but has a line that basically goes right through the middle. Right? So when it looks like this, it has 50% chance up or down. So when I do that, I look more at the macro. Trend is your friend. Boom. That's just me and my charting thing. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But at least one nice thing, though, is that there's some activity here. Okay? Also the volumes. Look, big sells right here compared to the buys. Okay, this is relative. Let me bring up the volumes here. Big sells, big sells. Why are people selling? Why are people selling? You know, do they think it's going to go down, or is this being pushed down? Hey, it's being pushed down. Why? To test this lower area here. Are there people willing to sell to where they can pick up the coins? That's all. Okay? That's what they do. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, get notified, all that good stuff. Watch this video. Learn how the market really works, okay? Learn how it really works. Compare it to the chart. Let me know what you guys think on that. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.